Benefits of aluminum roofing. Learn more about this and how it benefits your home by reading this article. Also, keep reading to learn more that can improve the aesthetics of your home. Corrosion resistant. This material is easy to maintain and is corrosion resistant. It's also environmentally friendly, reflecting light and heat and reducing monthly energy costs. Lightweight. Aluminum is lightweight and won't rust, making it an excellent choice for roofing. It's also a good choice for homes with steep roofs, as it reflects sunlight better than either. Energy efficiency. Why consider this material? While steel and copper are both energy efficient. Moreover, it's also environmentally friendly. So it's a good choice for those with strict budgets. If you're thinking of installing it, take a moment to learn about its properties and how you can benefit from them. Durable. Despite its lightweight nature, aluminum is incredibly durable. Unlike many other metals, its roofing does not rust or pit and is highly durable. Because it's lightweight, it is ideal for complex roof structures in coastal areas. Another benefit is that they are 100% recyclable, which makes them a great choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. You can request a free quote. Eco-friendly. While aluminum may be more expensive up front, its longevity makes it a better investment in the long run. Once the roof is removed, it is 100% recyclable. In fact, most materials contain 85%–95% recycled materials. Not only does this material to reduce energy costs, but it can also be recycled for use in solar panels or rainwater collection. Furthermore, because it's light, you can install it over your existing roof, reducing the amount of waste you send to the landfill. Over 20 billion pounds of asphalt shingles are removed from homes every year, filling up U.S. landfills.